Are you a Microsoft 365 SharePoint site or team owner in Microsoft Teams? If you want to level up your understanding and management of your SharePoint sites and your teams in Microsoft Teams, then join me for Taking Ownership, Microsoft 365 for Site and Team Owners. It's an intermediate workshop I designed just for you. First, in SharePoint, we'll conquer page and news scheduling for seamless updates. Then we'll look into audience targeting to reach the right people. Last, we'll look at list and library settings for smarter data management beyond the basics. Then, in Microsoft Teams, let's learn how to optimize channels for better usability and control. Then we'll look at how to boost productivity with the right structure and tools. Now, across all of SharePoint and Teams, there are other things we can do beyond the basics. So we're going to look at permissions management and when we might want to break inheritance or use item-level security. We're going to talk about integrating tools like Planner and Forms in the PowerPlatform to expand our team capabilities. And we'll also look at a bunch of real-world scenarios to put your skills into action. So if you're ready to take control, enhance security, and empower your team with out-of-the-box Microsoft 365 solutions and features, this workshop is for you. Let's unlock the full potential of Microsoft 365, specifically through managing your sites and teams.